Every night at midnight, Sarah would stand before her grandmother's antique mirror. Little did she know, something sinister awaited her. As she brushed her hair, a strange sensation washed over her. The reflection seemed off. Tonight, her reflection lingered longer, a smile forming that didn't match her own. Fear gripped her heart as she realized the reflection was no longer just a reflection. "You're not ready to leave yet," it whispered, the voice echoing in the stillness of the night. From that night on, Sarah realized the mirror was a portal to something dark, and she was never truly alone. Beware the reflections that smile back at you, for they may have other plans.
Creating horror shorts is easy, free, and can get you tons of views. Channels like these hit monetization with as little as 20 videos. Let me show you how. I know, ChatGBT again, because this is such a great AI tool. We need ChatGBT to create us 3 short stories that are about horror for YouTube. Now, it's going to generate us some really great ones. The Forgotten Room, The Silent Passenger, and The Mirror. I'm going to use The Silent Passenger, so then I'm going to ask, make this into a YouTube short with a narrator and scenes. So as you can see, it shows the scenes, it shows the narrator. This is very well put together. You have the narrator, you have the scenes, which you can take the scenes and put it in a prompt and generate images and videos, which is what we're going to do. We're going to take the first scene and we're going to copy it. And then you're going to take the next scene and do the exact same thing. So now we're going to head on over to DaVinci AI. This can generate images, it can generate videos. So real time, motion, image creation, upscale, a bunch of great stuff. But today we're just gonna create an image. So you do get 150 credits and it only uses 24. So we're going to copy the first scene and then we're going to bring it on over to DaVinci and then we click create. This is what it comes up with. These are actually really good. Like better than I thought it was going to do. So we're going to use this one. You just download it. And then we're going to come back over and we're going to copy the second scene. We're going to keep the first scene and just add the second scene to the first scene for the prompt. So we get the same kind of image and then you create and we get this one and this one. And I don't really like these, so I'm just going to use one from the first prompt. One that, like this one's pretty good. No, this one. So I'm going to download it. And then I'm going to delete just where the car. I'm going to keep the first part from the first scene. And then I'm going to come over and I'm going to copy the third scene from the second part. This is the best part because all you have to do is copy the scenes and then put them in DaVinci or a prompt AI generator. So these are the ones that they came up with. I really like this one. And okay, so I know which one I'm going to choose. I'm going to pick this one because I like how it has the ghost in the rear view. So download that. And then we need a voiceover. Of course, I'm using ElevenLabs. This is mobile friendly. It isn't an app yet. All these are mobile friendly. You just have to go to Safari. So you can pick any voiceover you want, but I really like Brian because it really suits the horror stories. So we're going to click him and then we're going to come back over to ChatGBT and we're going to copy the narrator's voice, what the narrator says. So we're going to copy, bring it back over, paste. That's it. And then we're going to go back over and we're going to copy the second thing the narrator said and just copy that. And then we're going to bring it back over to ElevenLabs, and we're going to paste it. I'm just showing you a short version of how I created the video in the beginning.
Exhaustion settles in after a long day at work. But for one woman,
this is what it sounds
night,
like.
An empty road. Exhaustion settles in after a long day at work. But for one woman.
So now we come over to Dream Machine because we need to make these images like videos. We need little mini videos. So we're going to click try now. And then you're going to click this little image. And then you're going to paste the first photo that we got from DaVinci AI. So you can write something or you can say enhance prompt. So this is what I got. So that was good. And now I'm going to do the second photo. I don't write nothing. I just put enhance prompt. If it doesn't work, I just do it over and put something. So this one's good too. Okay, and now we need the third one. You just download it, goes right to your phone. And then I don't write anything. And this is the third one. Okay, these are all good. So then I download them to my phone. And now for the finale, CapCut. Love CapCut. I use it for everything. I use it for all my videos. I already uploaded the videos, as you can see. And I extracted the voiceover. So this is what it sounds like.
Late at night, an empty road. Exhaustion settles in after a long day at work. But for one woman, the drive home is about to turn into a nightmare.
Okay, so it sounds great. So now time for the editing part. So I'm going to click it and then I'm going to add some video effects. So that one's good. I'm going to add some more. I'm going to add some transitions. I'm going to add the whole caboodle. It's going to look like a real little short movie. So, I'm going to add a lot of things to this to make it look great. So just keep watching. So now I'm adding some captions. I auto-generate my captions because CapCut is really good at it. It's really good at generating the captions. That's it. So these are them. I'm going to make them a little bigger and I'm going to put them in the middle. I find when captions are in the middle, people pay attention a little longer. So now this needs an audio. I need a really spooky audio. So I'm going to put airy music and I'm going to see what pops up. No. So I'm going to put spooky music or horror music. Perfect. Add that in. And now this, I'm going to turn it down a little bit so I can still hear the narrator in the audio effects. So it looks really good. I am going to show you. Don't worry. I'm just tweaking it a little bit so I can make it look really good. So this is the video.
Late at night, an empty road. Exhaustion settles in after a long day at work. But for one woman, the drive home is about to turn into a nightmare. Tired and drained, she just wants...
Don't forget to cut the music off at the end. I did that one time and it did not turn out well. So now I'm going to make the captions a little smaller because I noticed they were cutting off.
Late at night, an empty road. Exhaustion settles in after a long day at work. But for one woman, the drive home is about to turn into a nightmare. Tired and drained, she just wants...
That's it. That's how you create these horror shorts. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and it helps you in any way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.